Huevember Day 3, and we are doing light orange. If you saw my list of colors from my intro video, you know that apricot was actually supposed to be today's color originally. But after staring at the colors on the list, I decided that apricot is actually darker and more orange than this color, so I went with light orange today, and apricot will be tomorrow's color. And for this one, no one should be surprised. It did not take long for me to default to drawing a cute girl. To be fair, this light orange is a pretty good skin tone, if I do say so myself, along with beige. That's another good one. So that one will probably be a person 2, depending on how I feel when I work on it, I guess. If I make it that far, that's like halfway through the month or something. But I digress. So I really made use of black and white in this image, and I really tried to make it so that no two colors overlapped. The white hat with the black ribbon didn't come into contact with the white shirt because of the black hair separating it. The black shorts just barely missed touching the boots, which are also black. And you'll notice she's in sort of a crouched position. I draw a lot of people, so I decided to try and challenge myself at least a little bit, and I did a more difficult pose than I usually do. Also, I'm learning that fitting things onto square pages is a challenge. This pose was way better for this page shape than just standing there in some way. Also, I added a little bit of a background to this one with the circles because she didn't end up exactly in the center of the page, and I wanted to distract from that fact, so I did some different size circles, which I also made sure did not overlap or touch any areas of the girl that were the same color as the circle. There was just a lot more planning than it probably looks like. Okay. Enough rambling. We now have day 3 under our belts. Light orange, check, done. See you tomorrow for the next one.